Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to uninstall games from Microsoft Store. So you cannot really uninstall games in the Microsoft Store itself. For that, what you have to do is launch open settings. So click on the start icon that you can see at the taskbar. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Find the gear icon and hover over it. Now you'll be able to find the option for settings. Click on it. Now you can see over here the settings will be opened. You'll be able to find several options over here. What you have to do is find the option for apps and click on it. Now you'll be led to the apps interface. At left you'll be able to find several options over here. Make sure the option for apps and features is selected. In this interface you'll be able to find several applications that you've downloaded. So what you have to do is simply click on the search bar. Now search for the game that you downloaded from Microsoft Store. So simply enter the name over here. I downloaded this game from Microsoft Store. So what you have to do is click on that particular game. Now you'll be able to find two options, move, uninstall. Simply click on the option uninstall. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. Simply click on the option uninstall. Now you can see over here that particular game will be uninstalled. So that is how you uninstall games from Microsoft Store. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.